When it comes to Lexington, Kentucky, everyone knows that we are all about the basketball. The University of Kentucky, the Wildcats, Rupp Arena, it's a part of our DNA, right? But let me tell you about something a lot of people don't know. Lexington's only professional soccer club. When you first walk up to the stadium, you can feel the energy building. The field looks incredible, the music's going, and the fans are already filling the stands. Once you take your seat, you realize this isn't just a local game. It's a full professional experience. You've got the chants, the flags, the players giving everything they've got. It's intense, it's fun, and you can tell Lexington's growing something special here. So if you haven't been to a match, consider this your sign and come and see what Lexington soccer is all about.